What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. I know it's been a minute since I've done one of these, but I have a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. That's very cool. Right over here, it is from Milwaukee Tool, and pulling out that oh yeah, that Benchmade, that Osborne Designs here. Yes, it's a good one. I know it's probably like a $200 knife, but hey, whatever. Gotta have a good knife. You guys are opening boxes with keys. What the hell are you doing? You need to man up and get a damn knife in your pocket. Okay, let's do this. All right, we got some bubbles this time. Very cool. These are great because they act as kind of like, you know, fireworks if you need. Boom, sick. All right, so I want to show you these totally tubular 2-minute, wow, tool time tools right here that everybody needs. Obviously, you guys should have a socket set, but this socket set is a little bit different and it's super cool. So I got the 3/8 one right here, and I got the quarter. We're gonna go ahead and pop these open, but what I want to show you real quick, we'll kind of just give you a quick idea, is they're anti-roll, meaning you got a socket under the ground, you're working under your E30, for example, and you're down there, and then the socket rolls probably under the jack, or probably under a crack, or something along those lines, and you can't freaking find it. Well, these have anti-roll built into them, so that is why they are a totally cool tool. Also, you can put a wrench on them as well, because the backside kind of has this flat area. So if you need to, like, I don't know, kind of get it a little more shallow on the socket, because sometimes you can't totally get in there, it helps you out with that. And these have a 4-degree arc swing, so let's open them up. Again, need that knife. I don't know how many zip ties you can open with, you know, a freaking key, but maybe you can just see all these YouTubers using keys, and I'm like, dude, freaking come on. This was 2 minutes full time tool, huh? I think we're already at 2 minutes. That's okay. We're not into the tool yet. Maybe when we're into the tool, it'll be 2 minutes. Okay, so there's the first box. Super nice. What I like about these is it's easy to tell which side is up. It has a tray, and let's open it today. Yes, indeed. Awesome. So I've got some plastic around it, which we do not need. So we'll kind of get that ripped off here. Now, this is a metric and standard set right here, which is very nice, very nice. And it's cool because it does not skip any of the sizes. So we have the deeps here, and we have the shallows, and as you can see here, they're flat on one edge, right? So you can put a wrench around the backside, and then when you do this, they roll a little bit. They're not supposed to roll. Basically, if you do this, basically the idea is that they roll a lot less than a normal socket would. They are still round on the tip here, but you know, like if you put it down, you set it down, it's really not gonna go anywhere if you set it. Now if you drop it, not that far. If you drop it flat on a downhill, maybe a little bit, you know, but if you set it there and you set it there on a downhill, it's not going anywhere, which is very nice. It doesn't just roll away on you like that. So another thing that is great about these kits, and I'll be using them soon, but it doesn't skip any sockets, right? So almost all sets you buy, it's really annoying because they don't come with certain sockets. So this one goes down all the way to 6 mil, which most socket sets don't. So 6, 7, 8, 9. A lot of the time they'll skip the 7. Sometimes they'll skip a 9 and go right to 10. Sometimes they'll skip a 12, who knows? A lot of the time socket sets, they just skip one and then you're like going to the store and buying it. So very, very cool there. What else can I show you on this? So, nice little socket wrench, you know, chrome vadium type situation. On, off, in case you don't know which way you're supposed to turn the wrench. That is kind of helpful. So for turning it off, for some people, if they have no clue, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. But if it's reverse started, obviously we're gonna have to flip that in our mind, right? You can hear it, listen. Lots of little teeth. That's one click. So Very tight design there. All right, let's go to the 1/4 inch set here. This thing says it has a 92 design on it. Oh, and one feature I forgot to show you guys with these that I think is another totally tubular feature, but this, you see what I'm doing here? I have just picked up this whole toolkit out of this little box, and I went from having a carry along, you know, type of situation here that I can tote along if I need to being able to throw it into a toolbox, nice and organized. Look at that. That's sick. Now you can throw them into a toolbox and you're good to go. I think these work with the pack out system too, I want to say. Probably. Don't quote me on that, but I think they work well with that pack out system. So these 1/4 inch ones, very nice here, you know. Again, we're going down to 5mm on here, which is awesome. That is great. A lot of socket sets do not go down to 5mm. And because I'm working on a BMW and I'm working on metric things, sometimes I need some very small sockets. Again, you can see here, it's got the flat area. And let's try out this ratchet. Comes with a couple extensions too, which is very nice. Very, very small amount of movement, 4 degrees of movement there. Boom, we got a couple nice extensions. This is like a 6-inch extension, like a 3-inch extension or something. Maybe it's 2.5, I don't know. And then we got the swivel, again with the 3/8 one as well. Comes with a swivel adapter, which is very nice. And that extension and this extension. So overall, super, super cool tool set. I hope you guys like that. I'll put a link down below in the description where you guys can check that out on the Milwaukee website. So there'll be links down below. And yeah, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you would like to. And we'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.